In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images on Amazon listing. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Seller Central, what to click, and how to add a crisp main image, along with supporting photos that meet Amazon standards. Start by logging into Amazon Seller Central. From the main navigation, hover over inventory and select add a product. This takes you to the workflow where you can set up what you plan to sell. If you're introducing something new to the catalog, choose create a new listing so you're building your own product detail page rather than joining an existing one. Next, fill in your product details. Complete the required fields like product title, brand, and product ID, and pick the most accurate category. If your item has variations, such as size or color, set that up now so your images can later match the correct child SKUs. It's fine to move on once the essentials are in. You can always refine titles or bullets later, but adding images early helps you visualize the final page. Now scroll to the images section of the listing editor. You'll see slots for a main image and additional images. Click Upload on the main image slot first. Choose a clear, high-resolution photo on a pure white background, showing the product by itself. Aim for at least 1000 pixels on the longest side so customers get Amazon's zoom feature, and use a standard file format such as JPEG or PNG. Avoid text overlays, logos, watermarks, or busy props on the main image. Amazon can suppress listings that break those rules. With the main image set, add your additional images. These can include angled views, close-ups of key features, packaging, and lifestyle shots that show the product in context. Consider including a size reference or a simple graphic that explains benefits, as long as it's clean and easy to read. Keep everything sharp, well lit, and consistent in style so the gallery feels cohesive. If you have multiple variations, make sure each child listing shows the correct color or pattern to prevent customer confusion. When your gallery looks complete, click Save and Finish. Amazon will process the files and images may take a short time to appear live on the product page. If something doesn't show right away, give it a bit of time and then refresh. Clear, compliant images can dramatically improve click-through and conversion, so it's worth double-checking that the main image is centered, the product fills most of the frame, and all supporting photos tell a complete visual story. That's it! You've uploaded images to your Amazon listing confidently and correctly.